Nike is expanding its Zoom Vomero 5 lineup with a fresh women's exclusive colorway in pure platinum, Summit White, and Celestine Blue. While the brand prepares sneaker fans for colder months through the rugged Vomero 5 Roam, the original model continues to stand strong with its sleek and versatile design. The upcoming release showcases a neutral platinum and Summit White foundation across the base and midsole, paired with metallic silver accents on the heel and forefoot. To elevate the understated look, shimmering Celestine Blue Swooshes provide a striking highlight, further enhanced by soft blue details on the tongue and quarter. This icy and elegant blend delivers a refreshing balance between subtlety and style. Retailing at $170, the Nike Zoom Vomero 5 Pure Platinum, Summit White and Celestine Blue will arrive soon in women's sizing, reaffirming its position as a go-to sneaker beyond seasonal shifts.